In this very important lesson, we are going to look into how to make some money from your rental property. As a trained accountant, in my journey into this industry, I place significant importance on this area. It's easily a whole course in itself. However, for the purposes of this introductory exercise, I've selected the main financial attributes that you, as a potential host, need to be aware of. I'd also like to stress that this lesson is not financial advice, as it differs on a case-by-case basis, and you should definitely speak with your own accountant before you begin your journey as a host. My recommendation is that if you truly want to make money from your rental property, you need to treat it as a business and finally go through your pluses and minuses. This is all about the ins and outs. For example, should your property be based in a seasonal location, you may need to consider saving the earnings that you made in the peak season. These savings will need to last you throughout the low season and also to cover any potential reinvestment into the property. In addition, the tax and licensing application do differ from jurisdiction to jurisdiction, and this is something that you must keep in mind, in addition to setting aside funds for when you need to pay these obligations. So, let's get started with the ins. My favorite. Your basic revenue is going to arise from the following two main categories. You have obligatory fees and optional fees. Your obligatory fee will be your main source of income, and it is ultimately the money you earn through renting your accommodation. Putting heads on beds. This is the number that your guests will be basing their decision on, and it refers to the basic cost of the property per night. Due to the importance of this topic, I shall be dedicating an entire forthcoming lesson to discuss how to price your accommodation. The second category deals with optional fees. Now, just because they're optional, it doesn't make them any less important. Case in point, cleaning fees, whereby you are charging the guests a basic fee to cover the cost of cleaning the apartment and linen. I highly recommend you charge for this. But how is this a source of revenue? Well, if you charge guests €75 for cleaning, but it only costs you 70, then you have just made €5 profit. I have come across some owners who don't like charging a cleaning fee because they believe that it might deter prospective guests from booking. As a result, they end up making a loss on cleaning. On the other hand, if you charge a high cleaning fee, the expectations for the standard of cleaning tends to rise. So your property really needs to be in tip-top shape. Apart from the two already mentioned revenue streams, there may be the option to charge additional fees, such as a resort fee, a management fee, a linens fee, or a community fee. Just be careful when implementing these additional fees, not to impose too many, as it can set off a negative tone of daylight robbery. We've all gone to that one hotel that still insists on charging us for Wi-Fi. Case closed. Also, do keep in mind that certain cities have tourist taxes that need to be collected, and some online platforms allow you to automate the tax collection process. In my region, persons running a vacation rental will usually make between 6 and 10% profit once all costs are factored in. Therefore, you need to keep a very keen eye on your expenses, which leads us to our next video.